Hello guys! Good afternoon! We're going where? Yeah, we're going to the beach! With Mommy, with Saiki, with Nene, Ricardo, and Ate Belle! You're excited? You're excited? Hey, we're gonna have a vlog! Nene, we're gonna vlog. Sino nga yung ano niya? Na vlogger?
Okay, can you? Hi, vlog.
Oh, hi vlog. Where are we going? We're going to the beach.
Hi, guys. What you're going to your?
Oh, introduce yourself. What is your name?
Jasmine Tupino Pereira.
Ayun! Why are you forgetting the Rose? Your name is Jasmine Rose. Tupeno Pereira. Again. What is your name?
My name is Jasmine Tupino Pereira.
Why you keep forgetting the Rose? You're JR. Rose. JR. Junior.
I thought your name is Jasmine Rose.
Your name is Jasmine Rose.
Where's Jasmine Rose now?
Jaja.
Said only Jasmine.
Yay!
Tupino Pereira.
Ayan. Ayaw niya talaga ng Rose.
You don't like the rose?
The rose is good.
What are you drinking? It's what? It's Chucky. It's Chucky. Yeah.
Daming palaga to.
Beep, beep, beep. We're going on a road trip. Woo. Mommy is the driver. What happened to your... Operation hangin. Pasok mo daw. Mas better, hihipan mo na lang. Nene, very excited. I think you're not happy. Hey, Nene, are you not happy? Kapo, manigabasa.
Cause you still look perfect as days go by. Even the worst ones, you make me smile.
Nene, say hi!
The world if you
Hi!
gave
Nene,
us
island din.
time.
Hi! Are you happy? Are you sure?
Cause when you love someone, you open up your heart. When you love someone, you make room. If you love someone and you're not afraid to lose them, you probably never loved someone like I do. You probably never loved someone like I do. When you say you love the way I make you feel, everything becomes so real. Don't be scared